Hello everyone and welcome to my another video tutorial. In this video we are going to submit document to our document sharing website. So in the last two videos we created backlinks on WordPress and on Weebly, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload documents to document sharing website. So the first thing you need to do is create documents. So we already have documents on our all four posts. Here we go. So to create a PDF document, you have first you need to do is let me show you one thing. The first thing you need to do is create a new Word document, open it up, and and then write your article. Okay, do bold, italic, underline, whatever you like. Okay, and after that all you need to do to create a PDF format of this document, you have to go to File and then Save As, and you will see a drop down here. Use your author name. Like my computer name is professional, so it's already you can see the professional here. You can also add tags, and if you go to tools, first thing we need to do is click this drop down menu, save as type, and choose PDF. You will get much more options than the minimum size and the standard publishing. Make sure that you choose a standard and then write the document name like demo and then save it. Okay, so we have a PDF here. So by this way you can create a PDF. So we have our PDF and we are going to just upload these PDF to a document sharing website. So let's go and start with issue. Upload a publication, select files. Okay, desktop, articles, documents, and I'm going to upload the camera beginners and all the PDFs. Okay, we have both versions, the Word and the PDF. In case some website doesn't support the PDF, we have a choice to upload that the Word document, and in case some website doesn't support the Word document, we have the PDF. Okay, so don't confuse why we have the both version of the documents. Okay, so I'm going to upload all the four files of camera here. Open and wait till it uploads. Okay, so our document is uploaded. The next thing is you can schedule them or you can publish them right now. So we are going to just publish them right now. Okay, so the website is updating by creating the page cover, the thumbnail. Now you can open it in new tab and check the document. Okay, so this is our document and we have our link here and a next URL here. Okay, so copy the URL, close this tab and save it to link 1. Okay, open the others, copy the URL, copy the URL and save it here. Close, copy, Okay, so by this way we have created 4 backlinks on document sharing website, and this is the page 1. The page 2, and we have a backlink here. If I hover this link, you can see that the name of our website www.reviewanddeals.com/best is coming up, and we have published 4 document to the on issue. Let's go and do the same thing on some other document sharing website like SlideShare. Okay, so the best thing about SlideShare is that your document will get indexed in no time, within an hour, I think. Okay, I'm already logged in. So go to upload and upload your files. So we are going to upload the gaming laptop. Open. Alright, now just click save and continue, save and continue, save and continue, save and continue. Now we are going to collect the URL of these pages. So it is saying that your file is uploaded successfully. View it here. Let's go and check out how our PDF is looking. So this is our PDF, okay, and we have our link here, image and a next URL, okay, along with where is the description here. This is our description. So we are going to collect the URL. So copy and paste it here, copy, okay, that's it. So we have our backlinks on document sharing website. The rest of the remaining on the remaining website, like on box.com or on .txt or Keep and Share uPublisher, I will do it later on, but in this video I'm just showing you that how to create a document and how to upload them and then collect a URL. So in case Google doesn't index them, we are going to ping them and index them in Google search engine and all other search engine. Okay, so this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it.